Seeking stillness in the forests of Sain, I found purity, mystery, the lure of things wild and more grand. I wandered to sanctuaries where time itself moves more slowly. Water, time, nature's rhythms, my own rhythm, each with its purpose. Stepping along moss-covered paths connected me to older elemental powers. It was enough to simply feel. The energies of this land shape the people, who in turn shape its gifts. To create with one's hands is to create with the heart, it is said. And so it is with food as well. What does it mean to really savor something? Not just meals, but also air and light, the joy of arrival, the sweetness of a day well spent. In the quiet promise of a new day, all around me seemed like prayer. Receiving and letting go, having faith in larger rhythms like the sureness of waves or the warmth of the sun. I had come to Sain wanting to get away. What I'd found instead was something inside me all along. The land here carries all the tales of its layered history. Mythic energies link its valleys and coasts and highest peak. I came to listen, to let go, to find something larger. And in the vast nature and timeless legends of Sain, I found myself.